All right, so I'm working on my workforce 7720. As you can see over here, without the reflection, that I am missing yellow. It's not reading. So, I did the reset. I've actually downgraded my firmware from the latest update that was not reading anything. Printing for a while, took a break for like a week, turned it back on, yellow wasn't. I pulled it out, put it back in, noticed that these little chip things, this one was up. So I pushed it back down. And then it didn't work. So I was like, what the hell? And I have two CISS's that I tried both of them, and both weren't recognizing yellow. So, like my little fork, you got to have little tools. It's Trident. So, anyway, I pulled the other ones out, and this does not look like the other ones. This one is missing a lot of them. There was a third one down there. I touched it. It fell off. So these are probably what is going to be your main nemesis on it reading. That's when you tried to put like the factory ones back in and they don't register. It's probably because the backside, see the backside, had all of those. The broken yellow, only got a couple left. So, found it on eBay or on Amazon. There was only like 4 left. They come in 2 packs for $20. I called a registered or whatever, what's the word, specialist or whatnot. They're local in my state. They called up EPSON, called me back, said it's a special order, 6 to 8 weeks out, but it was only $30 for this whole unit right here. So there's 40 for $30. And I'm waiting. I'm gonna get that anyway, just so I'll have 4 more. Because this is obviously gonna happen. If you pulled out your cartridge, you've noticed these like come loose. They just pop up. Let me try to get you a good look. They just end up popping up like that. And then see, sometimes you gotta push it down. You know what I mean? But I think at that angle and shit is where it's breaking. And see, as you see on this one, all the ones in the back. Yellow, not so much. So I will, in the description, I will link the Amazon link on what I just bought. That's coming Sunday. Today's Thursday. So I'll obviously post another install video. And also, too, I will give you the number who I talk to for the special order on cost me $29.29 with state taxes of 10% and shipping. So obviously this is about a $20 gig for the whole unit of all 4, what you're seeing here with those chips in it. I forgot what they're freaking called exactly, but like I said, I'll link to what I just bought on Amazon. And there's only a few left, so I know I've looked at a lot of troubleshooting and they're saying yellow's not working. This might be a main reason. As you can see too, it's a little loose, but that's from pushing down. And you got this whole damn this whole bad boy. This one's broken, but it still clicks in, still registers. Hella crazy how that works. Some other ones you've seen probably has like this chip kind of loose or whatnot. I'm here to try to fucking fix this shit and get it going, man. I'm gonna be out of business for a minute already backed up on orders. My sister's pissed. She's main orderer. But yeah, so just give me a comment on what you're going through, because I'm there with you, and we'll get it fixed.